so I'm at my other property. That was quick, right? There you go. That's where we're doing it. Oh, man. I'm dropping keys and everything. Roll up these windows. Yep, so here we are on the next one. And after this, I'm telling you, man, after this we have right down the street, we have 2 more. And then once we turn the corner, we have 1. And then on the way out, we have another one. And before we leave, we have 1 more. All right, so that's what we do. And again, I try not to, because I'm in the same location, I try not to do all of them in this location in one particular day. I know some of y'all say that because you're all over the place, but I want to be seen. I want to be all over the place, different times of the day. That's why I don't give my customers a specific time of day. They get service, and I kind of rotate my services. This way, I'm in the subdivision different times of the day. This way, it gives different people a chance to see me. All right. So I'll show you the end result of this one in a few minutes. All right, so we are finished, and here you go. This one was mowed at a height of, I think I did 275. No, 250. 2.5. Yep, 2.5. And then during the couple of next weeks, we'll come in and top off these trees, you know what I mean? Cut everything. She likes it until, you know, the top of my hands. So I do this every year. Just hit it real quick for her and trim some of her shrubs. Pretty cool, huh? Yep. So yeah, we are running through them, guys. Running through them. And the next 2 are just down the bottom here. And the only reason I have you, I'm sorry for speaking like this, but I had some music playing, and the only reason I'm talking to you in between is to show you how tight these properties are. You can really just drive the mower, and the other person just, you know, grabs the grab the key and just drive to another location. But here we are, and we are at the next location, and you guys have seen these before. Roll this up. Over here. All right, and is these 2. Yep. And Q will hit this one up, and I'll hit this one up. And when it comes to the pine needles, we'll mulch him up. But then after this, it's going to be once a month. And what we do is we suck up all the pine needles and put them up on there. And then when I come back, I'll trim the shrubs for her and take care of it for her. Yep. This one, she does her own shrubs. All right. All right, guys. Here it is. This one was mowed at 3 inches, and this one was mowed at, yeah, I think 3 also. No, 275, my bad. 275. And believe it or not, all the pine straw was mulched. There you go. It's pretty nice, huh? All right, on to the next. Alright, so we just finished doing this one. Man, you know how sometimes you get that before? I wish I would have got the before. All the edging was done. Look at that. All the way around. It's a corner lot, so. And the homeowner will clean his beds. And what we also did was we trimmed the shrubs in the back there, all the way in the back. Yeah, we trimmed those and mulch up the clippings. But yeah, it was a whole ton of leaves, and as you can tell, guys, it hasn't started falling that much yet. We're just gonna come down. All right, and this is centipede mowed at 3 inches. Centipede grass. All right, good job again, man.
Appreciate it.
Everything's locked. Let's get up out of here.